Okay, tonight I thought I would dive back into my playlist of some of the other singers that were on I Am Singer uh, and kind of go with those. And the one I've selected to go with tonight is uh, Teresa Carpio. She is actress, singer, comes from a family that has a lot of theater background in it. She's a cousin of singer actress Rita Carpio. She is the mother of an actress by the name of TV Carpio. Her family, her father from the Philippines, her mother from Singapore. And when she was young, she had her own TV show with a couple of her siblings and then moved into uh, theater. She's been in, I believe, 13 different movies, having a starring role in one. Uh, she had some of her ones, she also did singing in them. Uh, so she had a lot of the OST background as well. And one other thing I found interesting on there is that she's also a voice coach. And among those that were her students was the winner of the 2017 I Am Singer, Sandy Lamb, was one of her students. And Sandy was the one who was instrumental in getting her to come on board for that particular show. Uh, she was eliminated in week 5, came in on the low votes on that. And then a couple of weeks after that, they had, at that time, what they had was a chance for singers who had been eliminated to compete against another eliminated uh, performer and get back in the competition. And she won that round and came back in. And then she was successful up until the semifinal week when she got the lowest score for that week and was out of the competition. Now, the song I have selected to listen to tonight, it's a favorite song of mine. It's Don McLean's Vincent. I really like that song. So I'm going to listen to her rendition of it.
Starry, starry night, paint your palette blue and gray. Look out on a summer's day with eyes that know the darkness in my soul. Shadows on the hills, sketch the trees and the daffodils. Catch the breeze and the winter chills and colors on the snowy linen land. Now I understand what you try to say to me and how you suffered for your sanity and how you tried to set them free. They did not listen, they did not know how. Perhaps they'll listen now.
I like her interpretation of the song. It's got kind of a different feel, used to it not being upbeat, but being a little bit more up tempo than her version of it.
Starry, starry night, flaming flowers that brightly blaze, swirling clouds in violet haze, reflecting Vincent's eyes of china blue, colors changing hue. Morning fields of amber grain, weathered faces lined in pain, are soothed beneath the artist's loving hand. Now I understand what you try to say to me, and how you suffered for your sanity, and how you tried to set them free. They did not listen, they did not know how. Perhaps they'll listen now, for they could not love you, but still your love was true. When no hope was left inside on that starry, starry night, you took your life as lovers often do. But I could have told you, Vincent, this world was never meant for one as beautiful as you. Starry, starry night, portraits hung in empty halls, frameless heads on nameless walls, with eyes that watch the world and can't forget, like the strangers that you've met. The ragged men in ragged clothes, the silver thorn, the bloody rose, lie crushed and broken on the virgin snow. Now I think I know what you try to say to me, and how you suffered for your sanity, and how you tried to set them free. They did not listen, they're not listening still. Perhaps they never
Wow. That one had me even with a little, just a smidgen of tears.
They did not listen, they're not listening still. Perhaps they never
Okay, I had to find this clip, and it's a beautiful clip from Doctor Who.
Huge amount of noise. And this one makes everything go absolutely tonto.
this one.
That's a friction contrafibulator.
And this.
That's ketchup, and that one's mustard.
Nice. Come on, back to the cafe, and you can tell me about all the wonders of the universe.
Good idea. Although, actually, there's a little something I'd like to show you first.
Where are we?
Paris, 2010 AD, and this is the mighty Musée d'Orsay, home to many of the greatest paintings in history.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Ignore that, I've got something more important to show you.
Take all your chances while you can. Never know when they'll pass you by. Like a sum the mathematician cannot solve. Like me, trying my hardest to explain. It's all about your crossing kisses. Those first steps there, I can't calculate.
To Black. Yes. We met a few days ago. I asked you about the church and a verse.
Oh, yes. Glad to be of help. You were nice about my tie.
Yes. And today is another cracker, if I may say so. But I just wondered, between you and me, in 100 words, where do you think Van Gogh rates in the history of art?
Well, big question. But to me, Van Gogh is the finest painter of them all. Certainly the most popular, great painter of all time. The most beloved. His command of colour, the most magnificent. He transformed the pain of his tormented life into ecstatic beauty. Pain is easy to portray, but to use your passion and pain to portray the ecstasy and joy and magnificence of our world, no one had ever done it before. Perhaps no one ever will again. To my mind, that strange, wild man who roamed the fields of Provence was not only the world's greatest artist, but also one of the greatest men who ever lived.
Vincent, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, is it too much?
No. They are tears of joy. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Sorry about the beard.
It's all about your crying kisses. It's all about you.
This changes everything. I'll step out tomorrow with my easel on my back, a different man. Though I still can't believe one of the haystacks was in the museum. How embarrassing.
It's been a great adventure and a great honour.
You
Yep,
turned out to be the
doctor,
first
you
doctor
did not
ever
change it.
actually to make a difference to my life.
I'm delighted. I won't ever forget you.
And you are sure marriage is out the question?
This time. I'm not really the marrying kind. Come on, let's go back to the gallery right now.
Sadly. And that was it. Teresa Carpio and Vincent van Gogh. One of my all-time favorite songs. Good night. Peace.